Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check Safari history on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Method 1. Checking Safari history directly. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. Open a new tab and tap the book icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the clock icon to view your browsing history. If you want to see all open tabs, just tap the three lines at the bottom right, and you'll be able to view all the tabs you currently have open. Method 2. Viewing website data in settings. You can also check website data by going to your Settings app. Scroll down and tap Safari, then scroll down and tap Advanced. Select Website Data, and you'll be able to see all the websites that have stored data on your device. That is everything you need to know about how to check Safari history on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.